Hello everyone, my name is Aman and I'm making this video for my self-introduction. Recently I saw a troll on Facebook where somebody asked a question that what he has to do in case if he would like to do a hotel management school. And it was so funny to watch that there was almost 200 comments and not a single person who actually motivate that guy that this is what you need to do in case if you're planning to do a hotel management, and this is how you can actually make your career. So I did also comment on that, and so I describe and I actually motivate that guy and told him that doing a hotel management, I would say that this is the basic requirement what you need to have. And today I'm proud to be a successful hotelier and I have done my graduation in hotel management. So actually I gave him a piece of speech. But there are also a few people who ask me, sir, what is your background and you're making all these videos? And you might have seen my lots of videos so far that I'm posting so many educational videos regarding cruise line, how to join cruise ship, how to apply for a job, what are the links and so on. Now, but obvious I got all this confidence and I get all this knowledge because I'm working with cruise line from last so many years. Now, before I come back again start with cruise line, let me tell you how did I start my career. I have done my graduation from Mangalore University in hotel management. I'm passed out in 95 and I start my career with Hyatt Regency Delhi as a Commie 2 in kitchen. And I still remember my first day when I joined the kitchen. I will not discuss that, what was that first day. So I worked with Hyatt in kitchen almost for 4 years. I was a Teppanyaki chef, part of Teppanyaki team for almost for 2 years. Then I also get chance to work with coffee shop, butcher shop, entremet, garde manger. And after working 4.5 years, I got a chance to work with opening team of Burj Al Arab, Dubai. You might have heard about that hotel, one of the most luxurious hotel in the world. So I worked there almost for 1 year, 1.5 years. But I always had this thing in my mind that I want to grow, I want to make more money, and I want to get a bigger position. So I never give up. So I worked only for 1 year, 1.5 years in Dubai, and somehow I got an opportunity to work with cruise line in 2001, I would say. And I joined Celebrity Cruises back in 2001. I still remember when I joined Celebrity Cruises, and that time, my first 1 week, my second week, I was crying because it was so tough. And I decided to resign and go back in Dubai. But somehow when I called back my chef told me that your visa has already been cancelled and you cannot come back. And I spent almost that time around $1,000 to $2,000. I bought my ticket, I paid for my visa, I paid for my medical, I did everything. So I also had that thing in my mind that I have to recover that money. However, I said, okay, let's do it. For some time I'll get my money and I'll go back home. And I started working with hotels again. So it's been 1 month. I had a very, very tough time. Every day my hand got swallow. I can't brush my teeth because it was so much work. It was a time to start, no time to finish. So basically I was working every day 14 to 16 hours minimum. Was limited food to eat in case if you miss the chance to eat, there is no food. Well, today's paradise I'm talking about, but let me go back to the same first. Anyhow, somehow I managed to finish my 2 months. In these 2 months, actually I find out that I know how to reach to my cabin because all cabin looks same. I'm talking about a vessel, a ship with 4,200 guests. And almost 1,200 crew members. So many crew members, every day you see somebody new face. All cabin looks same, so every day I get lost on ship. But in these 2 months, somehow I find out where is my cabin, where is my workplace, and end of the day, where is the crew bar. With the same company, I spent 8 years. I came as a supervisor. When I left Celebrity Cruises, I was already a director of food and beverage. But again, my journey didn't end up there. So I came back to India and I joined JP Hotel as a food and beverage manager. JP Agra, you might have heard about beautiful property. I was there for 3 years, heading that beautiful hotel with 350 keys. I left from there after 3 years. I got an opportunity to work with the IGI Airport as a general manager operation. I was looking after Emirates first class and business class lounge, and we also had planned to open so many more lounges in domestic and on railway stations. But somehow it didn't work out for some reasons, and I left after 2 years. And I joined as an operation manager Carnival Cruise Line. Because again, a seafarer is always a seafarer. Once you get in touch with water, it's very hard to leave. What can I do? So I came back to Carnival. I worked with Carnival for 2.5 years as an operation manager. Again, something came in my mind. I said, okay, this is too much work still. But again, it's a paradise now. So I got an opportunity to work as a general manager with one of the hotel in Jhansi, Orcha, you might have heard about. It was a new property and I got a chance to open that property. So I opened that property. It was more of like a project. I did that project for a couple of months, 3.5 months. I made that property operational, and then that was the deal, and I left and I joined this cruise line where I'm right now. I will not mention the name, and I'm working here again, an operation manager from last 3.5 years. So it's been 25 years and I'm proud to be a hotelier. What I have achieved today, that's just because of hotel management. What I have gained today, that's because of hotel management. So hotel management is not bad choice. It's a beautiful choice. And my kids, one of my kids, also a hotel management. I told her to do a hotel management, one of the best college, and she's already a manager. So nothing wrong with hotel management. It's all in you, what you want to do. Hotel management requires lots of dedication, a passion. If you are not passionate about what you're doing, you're never gonna be successful. Which job doesn't require hard work? Every job. So the hotel management, I would say at least we are 1,000 times better than those jobs where you have to go outside and eat in a small dhaba or a ready. We get everything here. And today, I'm proud to be a hotelier. I'm proud to be a cruise ship employee, a successful employee. And that's why I have this confidence, I have this knowledge, and I'm encouraging every single person to start their career with cruise line. Because cruise line, it's an ocean of opportunities. It's an ocean of opportunities. It's a matter of a click. It's a matter of a dedication. It's a matter of a passion. If you decided that yes, I would like to make a career with cruise line, you can be another Aman. So thank you so much. In case if you still have any question on my qualification, on my career of 25 years, or anything, if you feel like that doing a hotel management is a bad choice, let me know in comment box and I will give the answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.